If this is your first time to my channel, I'm so glad you're here. We do all kinds of t-shirt quilt videos, patchwork quilt videos, art quilt videos, and tons of different multimedia type of projects. One of my biggest passions is making t-shirt quilts and memory quilts with clothing. So you'll find on my channel lots of tips and tricks that shows you how you can make quilts with your clothing. We'll also do some fun art quilts and printing on fabric videos, small little applique projects. We also do different kinds of mystery quilts. Those are really fun. We also do live chat sessions. We do quilt-alongs and applique and patchwork. I also love to do quilting videos, little mug rug videos, painting on fabric kinds of videos, holiday themed projects. And I also like to pass along tips and techniques that will help you advance in your crafting studio. If you haven't already, make sure to click the subscribe button and the little bell notification so that you get notified when I make new videos. Also, you'd be doing me a huge favor if you click the like button and share this video with your friends. I cannot wait to meet you and learn about the things that you're passionate about in your studio. Until we see you again, have fun creating.